Hi, Jessie here. So happy you found my video because that means you want to learn more about doTERRA essential oils. And I love, love, love educating people about these amazing oils. So I just ran inside. Welcome to my fancy kitchen. I just ran inside to refill our bug spray. And I thought this would be a great video because people always ask me about what do I use for bug spray that is natural, non-toxic, all the things. So refill my bug spray with me. I really like using these kind of spray bottles. Have you ever seen these kind? Once I'm done, I'll do a little demo, but it's a misting spray bottle. So for our kids, we just get it misting and they run around in it and it works perfect. But you can use other types of spray bottles too, but this is what I'm gonna refill today. Look at the super fun label, but you can just label it however you want. To begin, doTERRA, they make a blend. It's called TerraShield, which is fantastic. You can just use TerraShield and you're gonna have great results. You can get it in a 15 ml like this, or you can get it in a 30 milliliter sprayer. So it's the same concoction inside. There's twice as much, and this comes in a spray bottle. I love keeping this in my backpack this time of the year. We went on a hike yesterday, and I just sprayed this all around our wrists and our neck, and it worked great, 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 great. Sometimes I've even added extra oils if a certain bug is prevalent wherever we're at, like a tick or mosquitoes, because this is generally just great for repelling insects. There are different oils that are known for specifically detracting certain types of insects. So you can do some research, check my show notes. I have a link up there with some extra resources for you so you can check that out. And then we could be email buddies too. So TerraShield, that in itself, just get TerraShield, you're gonna love it, it's gonna work great. But what I do for my bug spray is I use TerraShield and I add in a couple other oils to just boost it up. And then also just in the area where we live, it works really well for us. So in the base here, I have it filled with water. A lot of people like to use distilled water. We go through it so fast this time of year. I just use my good old filtered water. Some people also like to add a little bit of witch hazel, and then we add 4 different oils. And in this spray bottle, it's about 5 to 6 ounces. So I first have filled it most of the way with water. Don't fill it all the way to the top, but most of the way. And then now I'm just gonna add in my oils. Are you ready? So the 4 oils are TerraShield, like I already mentioned. Then we add in some extra peppermint, lemongrass, and eucalyptus. And it smells really, really good too. So I'm gonna do about 25 drops of TerraShield. TerraShield comes out a little bit slower. Oops, and I'm saying 25-ish drops. I think 5 have gone in about. It's not an exact science. It's just fun to mix them. This is taking a minute, but it's coming, it's coming. TerraShield is done. So now I'm gonna do my lemongrass. I'm gonna do about 20 drops of lemongrass. That's about 10. Okay, there's about 20 drops. Eucalyptus. You can see this one comes a lot faster. And again, I've lost track. It's incredible. I used to be a high school math teacher and I forget like counting numbers like this. Sometimes I'm like, how do I lose track so quickly? Okay, that's about 20. Then the last one's peppermint. Just as a reminder, in the show notes, I have a link in there for you with a free download with just some extra resources and recipes and all that fun stuff with bug spray. So check that out. And then if you are not working with someone yet as an essential oil mentor on a one-on-one basis, I would love to be that person for you. So reach out if you want more information about that. Okay, it's done. Now the trick is always, see, this whole little device goes into this spray bottle. So you don't want to overfill your bottle because there's nothing sadder than putting your lid on and then stuff swooshing over the edge. You're like, I just wasted some oil. So don't fill it all the way with water, almost all the way. Okay, so it's all done. Now the misting part, I'm gonna step back. Can you see? I'm just gonna do you just pump it a little bit and you see it's a really fine mist. And then we don't worry about with our clothes outside, and then we'll just spray really easily. But if it's really bad, like, I mean, we get some pretty nasty mosquitoes in our area, then I will go ahead and I will put some regular old TerraShield. I'll get the spray, I'll put it around my wrists, around my ankles, around my neck. I've also tried, and this has been really awesome, like a bug spray, not a bug spray, a bug lotion, where I'll get the doTERRA unscented lotion, squirt some of that in my hand, add some drops of TerraShield, and then put it all over my body as a bug lotion repellent. And TerraShield smells so good. It smells great. My son and I, especially my youngest son, we get eaten alive. Other family members, they get bit, but man, Me and my son Noah, we just really have that special blood that the mosquitoes like. So I love just doing layers, doing that lotion when I need to, then doing the Terra Shield around my wrist, plus doing that misting spray. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. Questions in the comments or my contact info's in the show notes. I am so thankful you watched this video, and I hope you have a great day.